be scared, it's just shark.
So in this video, I want to show you guys, as musicians, how you can prepare yourself to start performing in the metaverse. And there's primarily three ways we can go live in the metaverse. The first way is going directly from OBS or Streamlabs using a stream key directly into the metaverse parcel, build, property that you're performing in. So you would play live from your rig through one of these programs and then into the metaverse. The second way that we could be going live in the metaverse is going live on YouTube or Twitch and then embedding this video into the metaverse parcel or property we're playing at. And the third way you can perform in the metaverse is by pre-recording a live set and then debuting that set in the metaverse at a later day. Now, how you will decide which of these three methods to go with also depends on what platform, what metaverse platform you're going to be performing in. I've performed primarily in three of the metaverses that are out there: Spatial, Voxels, and Decentraland. And each of them have their own way of getting this music, of getting this media into the metaverse so you can start entertaining virtual audiences. In Spatial, the primary way to perform music in the metaverse is using the screen share feature. So I could share a tab on my computer, share an app I have open, or share a YouTube video. So this is great for method 2 and 3, going live on one of these platforms or debuting a pre-recorded live set. In Voxels, the primary way of doing a performance is by embedding either a pre-recorded live set or embedding a Twitch live stream or a YouTube live stream. So much like Spatial, Voxels is also really good for methods 2 and 3. And now for Decentraland. So even though I've attended my fair share of events in this metaverse, it's actually the one I've done the least amount of performances in. The way you perform in Decentraland is by going live to stream screens inside the build using either OBS or Streamlabs. Using a stream key, you'll connect directly to the RTMP server that's been set up for the metaverse location. The host of the land or show will give you their stream key for you to be able to stream directly to the property from your setup. An alternate way to go live in Decentraland would be to go live on Twitch and have the event host or landowner stream your set into the metaverse from their end using OBS or Streamlabs. So while method 1 is probably the best way to go live in Decentraland, method 2 would also work really well if you need to go that route and coordinate that with the host. So that basically covers the three ways I know how to go live in the three metaverses that I've played on. Of course, you'll need to hop into these virtual worlds on your own and experience them for yourself, while also thinking about the technology, hardware, and internet connection you have, and determine which of these three ways is best for you. I hope this video helped anybody looking to get deeper into this whole metaverse music thing. And in a future video, I'm going to show you guys how to make really awesome music experiences for your own metaverse performances. So be sure to subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know what I could add to the next video, or any thoughts you may have. Alright, I'll see you guys. Peace.
Don't be scared, it's just shark.